In this video, I will demonstrate how to export a camera location from your Revit model to AliVR rendering system. To do that, in your Revit model, we will import some cameras and some settings for IFC export that would help you streamline the process. The camera resources can be found at this location. This is a Dropbox location where you will find, after browsing to this location, you will find a RFA file, which is the camera file, Revit family for the camera, and a IFC configuration file, the settings that is suitably configured for AliVR interaction. You will download these two files and then put it into your downloads folder or wherever you need to save these for your project. Once downloaded, you will extract the files from the zip file and go to your insert menu and load family. Browsing to the appropriate location, you'll have access to this camera that you will load into your project. Once this is loaded in your family browser, it will appear in your specialty equipment as a AliVR Camera 360. This family has a default elevation set at 4 feet, and that's where the camera will be located. In a floor plan view, you can simply populate your rooms with these cameras wherever you want the perspective or the panoramic view be created. So in this example, I have 4 locations for the panoramic view, which is almost the center of the room for these locations. Once I have those locations determined, I will open back my 3D view and export this view as an IFC. You'll follow another video to show how compound walls can be exported out from Revit so that the IFC parts are exported and we can assign materials to them. To export the IFC file, you will go to File, Export, IFC. In this dialog box, the IFC version by default is selected as IFC 2x3 Coordination View 2.0. We would like to make some of the changes here. From the provided file, from the Dropbox, the settings, we can import them. To do that, go to Modify Setup, click on it. And on the bottom here, along these number of buttons, one of them says Import Setup. Click on it. Browse to your downloaded resources from Ali and select the IFC configuration AliVR JSON. Open that file, and you'll see the AliVR settings are copied. I'm going to do OK here. Go back to my original window. Pick a location where you want the IFC to be exported and hit Export. In my case, there already exists a file. I'm going to say replace it. And the process will finish the IFC export. Okay. When the process is done, you should have a file that is exported from this process.